Right, so I'm making this video basically because it'll help, hopefully it'll help someone else out as well. But so the issue is that using, I'm on what build? Rage in the Cage build, clicked on to authorize uh, RD, real Debrid, and it's come up with an error. I know what the issue is. All right, so I'm just going to go through it with you. Go into the settings, go to system, you go to add-ons, manage dependencies. Then we're going to go to resolve URL. Now the issue is that it's got old, outdated resolve URL add-on or whatever like that. So what we need to do is update it to the latest version. So you click on versions and you can see the list. At the very top, it shows you what I've got, 5.1144. And look at what we've got here, 5.198 are the top ones. So all you basically do, yeah, is just click on any of those ones. All right, it will update, straight back out. Now in this build, I'm authorizing Debrid via the wizard. All right, so I'm not using account manager or anything. I'm just using the wizard that came with the build. So in this case, it's 666 Mafia's wizards. I click on there, click authorize real Debrid, and there you go. All right, then, guys. Hope this helps you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.